Hi friend, today I will teach how to make a home plan in AutoCAD. So please watch carefully. Please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. So this is a home plan simple. First going to layer toolbar, shortcut key LA. Now the layer dialog box open. Provide the name of different parts of building, wall, door and window, and provide the different color. And this is the line width. If you need thickness is more, so please change the layer line thickness. And now select the wall and cancel this dialog box. Now click the REC command and check the dimension is 30 feet and 40 feet. So first point, and now go in dimension 30 feet, comma 40 feet. Now move command use, enter and bring here. Now needed wall, 9-inch wall. So select the offset command or enter and 9-inch inside, click this one. Now check the dimension of bath is 8 feet. So use offset command or enter. First needed this one explode the object, EX double enter, and then use the offset command because we needed just one line. Now take the center wall, use line command. If you not watch the center point location, so simple enter DS and coming here and or snap F3 is selected all and select OK. Then you will watch the every point. So offset, taking offset 4 inch and 4.5. So 9-inch wall is prepared. Now check this one is 4 feet. So use offset command and take 4 feet. Now wall 9-inch. Now check the dimension of bath and kitchen. Erase this one. We can't need it this line, so we will erase. Now check the dimension of bedroom, 13 feet, and also its kitchen. So offset command use. Now this line per kitchen, make a wall 9-inch, so offset is 9-inch. 9-inch is the brick wall. Now TR double enter and remove the unusual line. TR double enter. You also look in my previous videos for this command. I will explain how to use TR and erase command and copy and move. This all command I will explain. Just now you will watch how to use this one. Remove all unusual line. Now this is complete. So use erase command for this because this is not connected to another line. So the object is erased. Now check the guest room, size is 13 feet. So offset command use. 9 inch. We will making wall. Now looking here to another command, ex double enter, extend command, and now use tr single enter. Select the line and which one you remove, select this one. Now tr double enter. Now check the family hall is 13 feet. Offset 9 inch. Tr double enter. Now last one bathroom by guest room is 4 feet down the stair. And now you will looking, we will making now the main gate. Main door. So take the use the line command because we needed first point of door, and then use offset command 10 feet. Now use trim command tr double enter. Now we making all door position and window position. Select all door position. Provide the first point and then use the offset command. Provide the next point. So door size is 3 feet. And here we will make arch. So arch symbol is provided here. And now the main entry door is 4 feet. 2 feet one side, 2 feet another side, and we will also making a window here. So we provide single column between the door and window and 2 feet window. Now remove the unusual lines. Which line is not trimmed, so they will erase. This line erase. Now making door for bathroom. Take the offset is 3 feet. Tr double enter. Now making window for bedroom. Because this area is open, so we will provide window is here. Four feet offset. This window size is 4 feet. Now getting the ventilator of bath is 2 feet, so 1 feet one side and 1 feet another side. Now making the last door for guest room. Now you take this ventilator. So we need to make this ventilator in center. So first, for center line is draw the line in here and make a center.